Welcome to Lesson 34. In this lesson, you'll learn about Tauri events, a powerful way to enable real-time bidirectional communication between your Rust backend and React frontend. While commands are great for request-response patterns, events let you push data from Rust to your UI whenever you need to. We'll build a progress indicator using React hooks and shadcn components that updates in real time. Commands and events serve different purposes in Tauri. Commands follow a request-response pattern. Your frontend calls a function and waits for a result. They're perfect for fetching data, performing calculations, or any one-time operation. Events, on the other hand, are for pushing data from Rust to JavaScript without being asked. They are ideal for progress updates, notifications, real-time data streams, or any scenario where your backend needs to proactively update the UI. Think of commands like making a phone call. You dial and wait for an answer. Events are like text messages. They arrive whenever the sender is ready. Both are essential for building rich desktop applications. To emit events from Rust, we first need to import the emitter trait and get access to the AppHandle. The AppHandle is our gateway to the Tauri runtime and lets us emit events to any window in our application. We define our event payload as a struct with a serialized trait. This payload will be converted to JSON and sent to the frontend. Each field in your struct becomes a property in the JavaScript event object. Inside our command, we spawn a new thread for the long-running task. In the loop, we call app.emit with the event name and our payload. The event name is a string that our frontend will listen for. After the loop completes, we emit a notification event signaling completion. This pattern of progress events followed by a completion event is common in download managers, installers, and data processing applications. In React, we create a custom hook to handle Tauri events. We import listen from the Tauri Events API. Inside useEffect, we set up the listener and return a cleanup function to prevent memory leaks. We define TypeScript interfaces matching our Rust structs. This gives us type safety and autocomplete. When an event arrives, we update React state with setProgress and setMessage, causing the component to re-render. In our progress demo component, we use shadcn's progress bar and toast notifications. Each event from Rust instantly updates our UI. The cleanup function ensures listeners are removed when the component unmounts. Here's our progress demo in action. When we click Start Download, it invokes the Rust command which begins emitting progress events. Watch as the progress bar updates in real time. Each event from Rust immediately updates our React component state. When the download completes, the success notification appears using shadcn's toast component. This demonstrates how events enable reactive UIs that respond instantly to backend state changes. Excellent work! You've learned how to use Tauri events for real-time communication. You now understand the difference between commands and events, how to emit events from Rust with typed payloads, and how to listen for events in React using hooks. Combined with shadcn's beautiful components, you can build reactive desktop UIs that update instantly. In the next lesson, we'll explore file system access in Tauri.